Prince. He was the student of NDA. Gradually, with his talent, a different group of strength was established. It was named Commandant Academy Group, and he became the part of it. Later on, the group was merged with Strength of the Youth, and he became the leader of Strength of the Youth. With his performance, he was promoted to the chair of the leader. He was the person who represented the whole Strength family on raising day. You can just imagine that what type of responsibility he had. So I think at the time, Brigadier R.B. Singh sir also came.
Yes, sir.
You were at the time. So when he came, Brigadier R.B. Singh sir came, so actually responsibility was shifted to Prince. So it was the talent that I actually perceived that actually he is the talent and he should be promoted. So those who are the good performers of ours are actually given some more privileges to prove in the particular domain of leadership. So meanwhile, he appeared for DS entry and qualified his examination. He completed his training successfully. So whatsoever the branch, he will tell you. And presently, he is captain in Indian Army. And later on, I would like to shift my all perception to Captain Prince. Is it?
Right.
So please. So Prince, you have your glorious journey over this, and even we nurtured, and presently you are getting your identity. You please have it.
Jai Hind, all of you.
Jai Hind.
Nice. How are you all?
Fine.
I feel very privileged to come back here as a captain and brief you all when I used to sit.
Can you speak louder?
Okay, am I audible? Last one.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm just saying that I feel very privileged to be standing here and briefing you all when I used to sit on those chairs like you all. Also, I had the dream to take 2 stars on my shoulders, and in 2017 I passed out after taking the guidance from Sudhir sir. Like he told that I had joined here for NDA. Meanwhile, I was not aware of TS entry. So here only I got an exposure that what is TS entry. After that I applied for it, and successfully after first SSB I was conference out. So I took more guidance from sir. I took more
Exposure about SSB.
exposure about SSB, and got from many of my postmates who was part of the Strength of the Youth. So I
So
qualified.
can you
as-
name one or two of your postmates?
I had two Adityas.
Okay.
One was taller in
shorter-
height,
shorter one,
and
yes.
one was shorter in height.
Aditya Sainik School.
Yeah, he was from Sainik School.
Sainik or military school?
Sainik School, sir.
Yes, yes.
So it was that time. So I qualified my SSB the second time. So I did not lose hope, and finally I got selected.
I think Shivam was the part of yours, no?
Shivam, yes, sir.
He who qualified NDA and joined the Navy.
Yes, sir. He came after me, sir. I think.
Okay, he came after.
He came after me. So after clearing my SSB, I joined ES entry and went to OT Gaya. After doing my 1 year of basic training, I went to CME Pune, where I completed my BTech in civil engineering. After 3 years, I got my rank. That is the dream of all of you. Yes. Hai ki nahi?
Yes.
So after becoming an officer, I did training for 1 more year in CME. So when I joined the academy, I was totally a novice. I was not aware about the defense. I had no individuals or relatives in defense apart from my grandfather, who just retired from CISF. So he motivated me throughout to join defense academy, or to join defense academy, National Defense Academy or IMA. So he showed me an ad in the newspaper when I was in class 8. You can imagine, my dream started from that time, since class 8. There were many people around me who said that this NDA and IMA are only made for the relatives of higher officials. There might be a misconception in amongst your relatives. Hota hai yaar, we belong from a middle class family. Okay, but I told them, no, I will prove you wrong. So my journey started from class 8, and after doing my class 12, I joined Commandant Academy. And moreover, from the Commandant Academy, I got exposure from the Strength of the Youth, where I got many exposure like group discussions, lecturettes were conducted, where I was able to focus more on my interpersonal skills. So SSB is more about interpersonal skills. The more you know about yourself, you will be able to express more about yourself in front of the panel. Understood?
Yes.
So try to introspect more about you they ask questions like, what do you think about yourself? What do your family think about yourself? What do your parents? What do your friends? So you have to think about yourself, introspect yourself. Then you will survive in that race. It was only 90 seats, and in TS entry there is lot of crowd comes in the first day, approximately more than 500 to 600, and only few people get screened in, and apart from screening in, only few people gets recommended, and sometimes happen that whole group gets washed out. Understood? So if you really want to get selected and try to introspect yourself, अपने आप को जानो, जितना आप अच्छे से अपने आप को जानोगे, it will be better for you to perform well in SSB, and the guidance from the sir will be very much helpful to you throughout. आप जितने टाइम तक हो इस academy में. Understood?
So
Yes.
you're surprised to know that, even pleased to know that Strength has updated its version. Since 2022, we are maintaining Strength of the Youth Girl Wing also.
Okay. So it's a separate wing, sir, or?
Girl Wing is a separate wing.
Okay.
So they are grooming up their qualities under the guidance
So I
of.
think, sir, the batch is right now is only of the girls wing.
No. Actually, because of you only, everybody is present.
Okay.
Clear? So girl wing students are also sitting over here, and boys as in the time of yours. आप थोड़ा सा एक imagine करेंगे बात को. As I was very pleased and happy to hear one of my cadets of 2017-18 batch. Clear? And I recalled the student of 2010 batch, Rajan Kumar, a senior. So when he passed his SSB and opted for TS entry, even a short conversation was going on. And when I asked the question that, Rajan, who is your senior at present? So he said, sir, we are the new established wing of armed forces, and the senior most officer is major only. And just a moment back, I was asking to Prince, so presently who is the senior most officer of yours? So he said, sir, Colonel, and presently board has been set up for brigadier and more than that. So actually it is a long journey. And when I say that the institution is established in 2003, can you imagine? Can you imagine the moment how many great dynamic personalities are being groomed up? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It is the charm of this institution, and even in the morning time also. So it is a privilege of ours that in morning, one of our team leader of STEM, Vicky Patel, so was as and come in the merit of Assistant Command Coast Guard examination. So we are having a long journey, and it is a kind of even huge responsibility on your shoulder that you people are going to prove yourself in the coming future. So it is the legendary part that we are having, and every time when the leaders come, so they get the same privilege and even the emotions that they shared earlier. तो प्रिंस के साथ हमारी बहुत सारी बातें थी. So I recalled when Prince was a part of it, when Aditya was the part of Shorter Height, and he was his very good friend, and he was from Sainik School. Aditya was a student of Sainik School. He was motivated for armed forces, and in between he completed his CDS examination, and he came here for FCAT SSB also. So it is a long journey of ours. So you people are following the legacy and footprints of your successful seniors. So they try to follow the basic instructions. So the group in which you people are in, it actually motivates, and opportunities are given to those who are actually have it. है ना? जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि प्रिंस को जब हमने अपॉर्चुनिटी दी थी इसमें, so in 2016 when Brigadier Abhay Singh sir came, so it was a kind of responsibility and opportunity. So who is going to represent the organization with the strength of the youth? And Prince was selected at the time. He was the leader at the time. So that when you get the opportunity and you just fulfill it, it means that you are a true leader. आपको शायद नहीं पता है, इसको भी नहीं पता होगा कि इसके स्टेटमेंट के बाद आरबी सिंह सर ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया. ये बात हो रही 8 साल 9 साल पहले. कितने साल की? We were sitting over there and he was performing, and when he performed, so Brigadier Abhay Singh अभी तो रिटायर हो गए हो, उन्होंने कहा था इसमें, you are a very nice chap. The word that you have, the sharpness you have, it is very good. Just keep it up. मेरे को बड़ा मजा आया था इसमें कि हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स को इस तरह से ग्रूम कर रहे हैं कि जो भी सीनियर मोस्ट ऑफिसर्स होते हैं वो भी इंजॉय करते हैं, वो भी अप्रिशिएट करते हैं. एंड हमारे स्टूडेंट को नहीं पता कि इसकी इस डोमेन को मुझे शार्पन करना है। आपके किस क्वालिटी को मुझे शार्प करना है ये मुझे डिसाइड करना है। आपको लगता है कि हम बैठ के ग्रुप में कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि इसमें ये क्वालिटी है, इसको शार्प करना होगा। एंड यू प्रूव योरसेल्फ। आपको पता भी नहीं चलता है कि आप सक्सेस क्यों है। आपके सक्सेस के बहुत सारे रीजन हैं। आपके फ्रेंड्स रीजन है, आपके पेरेंट्स रीजन है, इंस्टीट्यूशन रीजन है, मैं भी कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट कर लेता हूँ उसमें, लेकिन सभी लोग आपके सक्सेस के लिए ज़रूरी है। तो आपका फ्रेंड कैसा होना चाहिए? आपका फ्रेंड भी होना चाहिए आपके बराबर का कमिटेड स्टूडेंट। अकेले आप मेहनत कैसे करें? हम हमेशा जब सोचते हैं ना तो हमारी थॉट प्रोसेस में कभी ना कभी वीकनेसेस आ जाती है। अगर हमारा फ्रेंड पहले से स्ट्रेंथन होगा ना तो हमारी इस स्ट्रेंथ को मेंटेन करेगा। सो दैट स्ट्रेंथ वाज मेड और आपको हमेशा ही हाई मोटिवेटेड रखता है, हाई चार्ज रखता है। सो इट इज़ द ग्लोरी ऑफ दिस फैमिली एंड you people are really good so that you are getting all the opportunities and prove yourself better and make your organization proud of yours. तो और कोई फाइनल वर्ड जो बताना चाहेंगे इसमें?
My final word for all of you is do well in life. ठीक है, जो भी कर रहे हो be motivated. ठीक है, don't lose hope. Always be focused. Do not shift your focus to anywhere else. अगर यहाँ आगे हो तो निकाल के ही जाना। ठीक है?
Okay
ठीक है।
friends, all the
Yes.
best. मिलते हैं।